Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken with cashew nuts. It's very easy to make and it's really tasty. So let's get started. Here I got 400 grams of boneless and skinless chicken. Cut them into bite size. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken. Some salt and black pepper. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Mix everything. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or more is even better. The cooking process is actually very fast and I have all the ingredients ready. And now I'm going to make lovely sauce for the chicken. Half teaspoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of sugar, quarter cup chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and half teaspoon of mirin. And now I'm going to mix all that together. Then set it aside. Here I have rest of the ingredients. 1 big carrot, 2 medium bell peppers, 3 spring onions, cut them into medium dice, 1 medium white onion, finely crushed 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, and roasted cashew nuts. If you wanted, you can use unroasted. And now a little bit of vegetable oil into the pan. When it's hot, add seasoned chicken. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and stir frequently. And now transfer them into the separate plate. Into the same pan, add some vegetable oil. First I'm going to fry ginger garlic. Give a good stir and cook for about 20 to 30 seconds. Onion. Cook these for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add carrots. Just fry 1 to 2 minutes. Now bell peppers. Mix them all and cook for about 2 minutes and continue stirring. Now return the cooked chicken back to the pan and spring onions. Just stir about 2 minutes or until the chicken is warmed through. Now I'm going to add sauce. Give the sauce a quick stir before adding into the pan. Simmer the sauce for another 3 to 4 minutes. Stir frequently until the sauce has thickened. Now I'm going to add roasted cashew nuts. Here I have about quarter cup. Just stir a minute. This is almost ready. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil and black pepper. Give a stir again. Some salt. Now turn off the heat. Sprinkle with spring onions and more cashew nuts. Now ready to serve. That looks so delicious, and you can serve with some rice. Now I'm going to taste. So tasty and lots of flavor. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. And today I have a friend of mine. She's going to try this lovely recipe. Let's see.
Which looks amazing. Which smells amazing. Is amazing. We know it's amazing. We'll got it in the mouth. Mm. 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 Oh, this is delicious. This is so nice. This is lovely. But it is lovely.
And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.